Well, my friends, today at the end of my clinic, I have got a chance to elaborately discuss about a sepia lady. There is a customary question often comes in homeopathic materia medica examination. Draw a pen picture, give a pen picture, write about a pen picture of sepia. Yes, this is the occasion I have found, and I do like to demonstrate the pen picture of a sepia lady. See, this is a typical picture of sepia lady. Look the patient. This is sepia. This is sepia. কাজকর্ম করতে চাইছে না, পাচ্ছে না, কি বলে? শরীরটা দুর্বল, শরীরটা কাঁপছে, তাই কাজকর্ম করতে পারছে না। সো ইন্ডিফারেন্ট, sadness, gloomy, melancholia runs through this remedy, my friends, which is 100% similar or equivalent to this lady. For illness, this indifferent is for illness, sufferings. She always has to fight a kind of indifference from the deep of the mind, from the deep of the heart, from the insight of the internal man. This is a kind of indifference which differs from other indifferences. She cannot help it. She cannot control it. She tries to do something against it, but it does not work. This is all about sepia, my friends. Deep, 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 deep inside, I am indifferent. Whether my children see me or my husband does not see me matters little to me. I do not care about it. It does not move me. And that provokes a struggle with herself. She tries to fight it because she knows it should not be like that. So this is indifference. This is sepia, my friends. And a constant brooding. A constant brooding. You know, there are many places it has been mentioned, occupation, amelioration, sepia. কিন্তু এখানে কি শুনলাম? What you have heard? That the lady does not like to work anything. Please remember, my friends, sepia, occupation, amelioration. At the same time, there is contradictory symptom, aversion to business in the third degree too. That is because sepia wants to have something in her mind. She looks for diversion. She looks for a hobby, for instance, or jogging, or sports, or dancing, or horse riding, or car riding, but not for business, not for work, not for occupational activities. Business is more productive and functional, and there are certain restrictions when she goes into the business. Sepia does not like such restrictions, such business. So she loves solitude. She is indifferent. She is sad. She is melancholy. She has developed taciturn. She has developed aversion to business, aversion to occupation. She lies in another world. This is sepia, my friends. ঝড় বৃষ্টি ভালোবাসো কি ভয় পাও? ভয় পায়। So there are many contradictory symptoms in sepia. Sometimes she loves thunderstorm. She fears thunderstorm. So sometimes she's having mild temperament. Sometimes very irritable temperament. Sometimes very fast and like to do work. Sometimes aversion, total aversion to business. All are reflected physically, and there are sexual dysfunctions, prolapse of the uterus, constipation. But above, over and above, there is sluggishness, indifference, disconnectedness from the family, disconnectedness sensation from the world. So, mental irritability, depression, indifference grasp the life of the patient, which shows by the facial expression. This is sepia, my friends. She lives in her own world. So also look the physical makeup of the patient. বাংলা বইগুলোতে প্রায় পড়তে পারবে লম্বা পাতলা একহারা চেহারা, আনডেভেলপড বাটক রিজিয়ন, ভীরু, একাকী থাকিতে পারে না, বিষণ্ণতা, ক্রন্দনশীলতা, উদাসীনতা. You will see in all Bengali books, my friend, and see the practical demonstration of sepia. So remember sepia, my friends. You will never forget after today's display of sepia, practical display of sepia. Irritability, loathing of life, aversion to company, anger, irritability, and the great indifference, sadness. So, aversion to work, impatience, uneasiness, sensitive to noise, hypochondriasis, hysteric, and various forms of mental depression. Especially of women, the complete indifference picture, no interest, without interest in their own affairs. This is sepia, my friends. The whole medicine can be identified by only the mental symptoms, by only the physical makeup. Tall, slender, narrow body, buttocks, breasts, and other parts of the body is not developed like a female's. Chili. The total facial expression, the countenance is expressive by indifference, by fear, aconite, by haughtiness, platina, by dullness, barytica, by cunningness, anacardia, but by indifference, sepia, phosphoric acid, or upnet. And this is our sepia typical lady. Never forget in your life. Sepia, sepia. You are the sepia. আশা করি আজকের পরে আর সেপিয়া চিনতে কারোর ভুল হবে না। হুইচ সেপিয়া? সেপিয়া is sitting in front of me. A sepia lady. Aversion to war. Total indifference. Gloominess. Sadness. Melancholia. Apathetic. Due to disharmonious state of life.